So, guess the two fine boy and fine girl
Alright.
that are going for
An outing.
an outing.
Outdoor outing.
Oh, baby, you look so sweet.
Thank you, babe.
Oh, you've not tell me that I look sweet.
You look great. You look great. So I've told you before now, but
What are you
because of
now
our-
touching now
I'm
that
sorry,
you're saying?
I'm just touching. Anyway, so
So we hope to take you on the outing with us.
yeah, so
See you soon. Hello.
Hello, come on in.
Hi, how you doing? Yeah.
Cheese and biscuit.
Oh wow.
It's Tim's wife.
Oh
Yes.
wow.
Are you a really good
photographer?
Yeah.
Over here.
Thank you.
Amazing. Go through.
Do you want me to take your coats off
Yeah.
you? Because it's quite warm out there.
Yeah, it is quite warm.
And help yourself to a drink.
Yeah, I can see that the table is filled with.
Yeah, I'm gonna put
Yeah, the
pain.
pizzas are just coming out bit by bit. So
Ah,
there's
yeah.
I'm
salad,
gonna be a pain.
there's
Bit
different
longer.
squashes, lemonade.
Oh, great. Hi. Hello. How you doing?
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, Phil, you're making pizza from scratch.
I'm making pizza.
I think I'm just going to document how you're doing this. Phil is a chef. Oh yeah, I think I've seen it. So I saw a video of how pizza is
I'm
made.
making loads, so you'll get opportunity.
Oh wow! I think I'll even try to.
There's some pennies there. You can try. Hey, Victor, nice to see you. Welcome.
yeah, thank you.
Hey.
Oh, Phil's making pizza from scratch.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I've seen videos of it online, like the way they do it, chum 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 chum, then put it inside the. So now you put
So yeah, now we're gonna
toppings.
put toppings. So I'll
What's this?
Oh, this is polenta. You know, like
The
fufu.
crust. Oh, fufu.
Fufu. It's like fufu, but it's like European corn. European
Okay.
maize.
Oh,
and
from
they dry
corn?
it, you know, like they do in Nigeria. And then
Oh.
they crack it, and you make it into a porridge. But it's also when they make pizza, because you
Okay.
want to slide it. You see?
Oh, great. Oh, yeah, yeah, I
So
get.
you need to slide it into the oven.
Okay. So this is like an homemade oven, like your own unique oven.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah. So have a look.
So is it meat pizza you're doing or
Any flavour. So I've got chicken, I've
Wow.
got mushroom, I've got pepperoni. So whatever you like. If you want fish, I've got fish.
Based on orders.
interesting.
So yeah,
So the pizza is going to be custom made.
I will make a custom-made pizza for your taste. Yeah.
Oh wow.
And then you use these.
What's that?
So these are the berry from a thorn bush. So they would have had these in Israel at the time, around the time of Christ.
Oh, wow.
It's been a flavouring for a long, long time.
Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah. And then we'll put some
Cheers.
cheese.
Okay.
Get cheese in the middle. And we'll put some black pepper on. And some olive oil.
Oh, wow.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we just put it straight in.
Okay. Okay, so you just slide it in.
Yeah.
Great. So now we wait.
Yeah. So we have to turn it in a minute. So what shall I put on this one? I'm going to do another one.
Okay.
So should we do meat this time?
Yeah.
maybe Pizza made by David the chef.
Is that okay for you?
Pizza is done. Fruit. Yummy.
How passionate city like that. Or city. You can't enter this stadium.
Yeah, we came in late, so this is the entrance.
One of them.
Yep. Okay, you can bring small cameras.
And they are saying it's founded in 1904. That's quite a long time. 1904. So it shows that football is indeed just part of England's culture. Shows that it's just, it's just part of their lifestyle. Founded in 1904, and the stadium is MKF Stadium in Hull. Right on this. No, Hull City. Well, I'm seeing Hull FC, founded 1865. 1865.
Yes, now you not see all this fine.
Okay. But I think it's somewhere.
We still no, we're not in the where the studio is. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's somewhere. It's somewhere.
I mean, if we get to the studio, the stadium, we should be able to see. Okay. Okay, let's. Oh, babe. Can you say something?
Hi.
Saying anything?
Well, we decided to visit all Football FC Stadium today. I think they are currently not, of course, they are not currently in the Premier League. They have gone to relegation, but I mean, a few of us we know a little about all FC. So we came to their stadium just to see what they have, even though they seem to be not like the major guys in the Premier League,
But they are doing well. And
they also have a very massive stadium.
Yeah, and the way the one thing that I find very impressive is the way their fans love them.
Yeah, despite that nobody knows them other in Premier League, you could really see. We have met several people that their legs, their hands,
they have tattoos of their logo, all
fact,
FC.
one of our pastors in church
Loves them, really.
He loves
He's
them.
their
He's a fan that
always
almost one of the of the shirt that I know him to like more is a cardigan by Hull
Yes,
FC.
yes. So
that's how passionate
they
people
have
are about.
I'm trying to back the sunball.
Yeah,
See, it's not
yeah,
working.
it's
So
not
we are moving there now. These are different entrances, and then we're hoping to see the shops that are opened. Then we'll go back home. Oh.
Possibly come back another day.
Yeah.
Where we have things well open. I think we didn't really check the time to know when they open, but felt we could just come around to explore, see what the stadium is up to, because within the city we found out that there are people that are actually quite very crazy about the football club and me coming from Nigeria and watching the Premier League, they are really not among the high performing teams. So you get so.
But they're doing a great job. Like the fact that they're not even in the league, the love is just, and
No,
then
I think it's
the
not that they
stadium
are
too is
doing a great
massive.
job. I think it's the fact that it's like football is just part of
I
the
think the
British
shops are
culture.
closed though, babe.
Yeah, they are closed. That's what the guy was saying.
I
That
think all the shops are closed,
said
so
they open 9 to 5 p.m., 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So it seems close. So, but I think football is just part of their culture. So massive investment are done into. I think football, rugby, of UK also, of England. They are strong in rugby, while some part are strong in football. So here we are.
yes, here we are. We've touched the entire, and we're back in sun. To the sun.
Back again.